Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have your photos and music ready. Now create the project and import efficiently. Start a new movie in iMovie, name it, then import your folders rather than single files to save time. Once done, skim thumbnails and delete unusable shots. Make quick selects for the narrative beats you want. Drag selected photos to the timeline in rough order, then place your music track on the audio lane. This gets you into editing immediately, while preserving original files for rework. Now refine pacing and motion so visuals match the music. Select photos and set durations. Shorten to 1/2 or lengthen to 6 seconds depending on rhythm. Enable Ken Burns to add subtle movement. Use split and trim to synchronize photo changes with musical hits, and open the precision editor when transitions need millisecond tweaks. For audio, place the music, add fade-ins and fade-outs, then use volume keyframes or ducking so any voiceover stays clear. Finish with polishing touches. Add concise titles, apply color correction for consistency, and insert a short crossfade to end smoothly. Preview the full timeline twice, once for timing, once listening for audio issues. When exporting, choose 1080ph, 264 and a moderate bitrate to balance quality and file size. If you hear audio popping or notice lip sync drift, first relink any moved files. If that fails, render only the troubled segment, or replace the music with a freshly imported copy to resolve corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.